Hi, my name is Elena, and in this screencast I'm going to talk about my design choices made while creating my infographic. To create this infographic, I used the program Visme, which has a lot of initial templates to work with. I took one of the templates and changed it around to fit my taste and also to fit the principles and techniques in visual design described throughout this lesson. In my infographic, I chose to use the principle of a monochromatic color scheme, which according to color theory is one way to achieve color harmony. I chose an orange to burnt orange and almost brown color scheme here. According to color theory, orange can mean caution to a viewer, which I think is effective in this infographic, warning the viewer of the effects of cigarette smoking. I also used white and gray throughout to add some neutrality and to break up all of the color that's going on. I have also applied the Gestalt principle of similarity and anomaly. This is a principle that explains how objects that look similar are perceived as a group or pattern. Using this idea, an object can be emphasized in comparison to the others in order to differentiate between them. In this case, a single object in a different color is used to show the difference from the others, and here to represent a statistic. This also accomplishes one of the goals of an infographic in that it makes a statistic easier to understand by visually depicting it. I also used my own type of grid system here, using these white lines in between and also the title lines, which create both focal points and a visual hierarchy. The large icons within this sort of grid, like the large number 1 here and the percentage graphic here, are sized and placed within their sections so that they stand out and serve as a focal point that catches the eye when looking at the infographic as a whole. I also created the principle of visual hierarchy here by using different fonts in different colors and sizes to emphasize certain words, phrases, or titles. This can especially be seen in places where there are sentences, and I have made keywords or numbers, like here and here, different colors from the text, different colors and text size from the rest of the sentence. All of the techniques and visual principles I used in my infographic create an interesting and engaging visual, which makes its data easy to read and understand. Thank you for listening.